In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Telegram chat on WordPress. Let's get started right away. So for this, we need a website called Elf Site. Now once you're on Elf Site, all you need to do is click on widgets right there, and you can then go to chats, and then right there you'll find the Telegram chat. Now they have plenty of different widgets on this website, but for this video, we're going to use the Telegram chat one. Next up, click on create a widget at the top right corner, and then choose your template. So you can choose any of these templates, but for this video, I'm going to go with the general one, and then you can click on continue with this template. Next up, you want to make sure to paste your username or your Telegram link right there, and you can also customize this even further with different positions and display settings. Once you're done with that, you want to click on join to install. Now you can see that it will look like this, which is awesome, and you can then sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. Okay, so once you're signed in, all you need to do is click on save at the top right corner. You will then see this page right here where you can click on add to website. So click right there and then copy this code. Next up, go back to WordPress. Please ignore this like random page. Click on the plus icon, click on shortcode, and then paste it in there. And then I'm going to click on preview, and you can actually see what that looks like. In this case, let's see. Right there, you'll then see the Telegram chat icon, and that's how you can actually do this. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you next time.